Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Saran Mishra. Today I am going to talk about how to become a UI UX engineer in 5 steps. It doesn't matter whether you are a student or career changing or just curious about what is UI UX. It's a video for you. Before going to the video, make sure don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like icon and hit the bell icon, then you can get a notification when I upload the video. Let's get started. A lot of people have a same question: should I choose a UI UX or UI UX? Sounds confusing? Let me explain for you. UI mean user interface. User interface is all about how things look like. When you visit a website, then you can see different types of components like buttons, forms, search bars, icons. Designing the website or app called the UI design. So what is UX? User experience. User experience is all about how the things work. If you click a button, how the button work. If you fill a form, how the text are filling that form. The behind the scene of all the action we are doing to the UI is all about UX. So what is UI UX? Knowing the designing and the developing the functionality of the UI. Sounds clear? After choose your path, it is very important to develop the set of skills through your journey. There have two types of skills. The first one is designing skills. The other type is the technical skills. Once you are mastering in the designing skills, then you can develop into your technical skills. Designing skills is the basic level of skill set that you want to have to develop the UI. Designing skills is all about improving your thinking pattern and designing the UIs according to the client requirement. You have to first draw a wireframe, you have to roughly sketch the design, and you have to prototype. Basically implement it using the designing tool. In technical skills, it is important to master in the designing tool. You can choose whatever tool you like Figma or Adobe. I prefer Figma because it is very user friendly and it's very handy tool. You can use it for different kind of functionalities, implementation, and it is very complex tool for modern days. It is very important to know about HTML and CSS, the basic and fundamental language of front-end development. Once you are mastering that languages, then you can move to Once you master in JavaScript, then you can move to backend part. The backend is a very important part. Once you develop the backend skills, then you can master in full stack development. So our journey plan making a little bit complex now, but don't worry. Relax and start from the beginning. The major problem is, where can I learn those things? Don't worry. The Coursera will help you. Coursera offers you a paid and free courses. Don't matter whether it's free or paid. Follow the lecture materials and go through the tutorials and learn something. After you mastering all these steps, then you can move to build your own portfolio. Build your own portfolio will give a huge positive impact to your career. You can use different platforms to build your own portfolio like GitHub, GitLab and Bitbucket. You can choose whatever you like. If you update your portfolio continuously, it can give a major helpful for your career. Let's say if you are in the middle in an interview, then you have to demonstrate your projects, then you can easily get your portfolio and demonstrate them. Keep updating your portfolio as you go. If you follow these steps correctly, then you can definitely be a successful UI UX engineer. But you have to follow one and only rule to success in these all steps. It is you have to practice daily basis. If you are not practice daily basis, then you cannot grow your strength skills.
Sir, you are going to be placed under arrest.
Don't compare yourself with each other because everyone's path is different. You have your own strength. Now identify that strength, build that strength. I hope this gave you some clarity and motivation. If you have questions, then put it in the comment below. Do my best to answer in them. And if you found this is helpful to you, hit the like icon, subscribe to the channel, and share with among your friends. Goodbye for now. Let's see another video.